Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan, and today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. I want to talk a little bit about mediation and the role of mediation in the divorce or custody process. The origins of mediation are pretty straightforward, I think known by most people. Basically, it stems from the fact that, spoken or unspoken, the court is very strongly inclined not to get involved in the decision of how you should parent your kids, okay? It will if it has to, but the court very much prefers that matters regarding how often dad will see the children, how often mom will see the children. The court would rather that somehow that be resolved between the parents who are actually going to be at ground level overseeing that. The judge is not going to be there to police that. So the court would rather that the parents even begrudgingly work it out. I will tell you that as a function of continuing to maintain your power in the relationship, you will find that a resolution that you come up with the other side, even begrudgingly, is better than having the court say, you shall do this, you shall do that. Because at that point, you're at the court's mercy. And if the court happens to feel that something that you don't think is overly significant is very significant, you may lose out on some of your custodial rights because of that. So it's always to your advantage to try and work it out. And to facilitate that, the court is in the habit of sending cases to mediation. As you may know, mediation is typically done by another lawyer, often a lawyer who's of the choosing of your lawyer and the other lawyer combined, and they say, okay, let's pick this person, let's pick this man, this woman to help us as mediators. It's not the mediator's job to advocate, it's the mediator's job to find a common ground, to find somewhere in the middle where the parties can agree, even if they both think they're getting ripped off. As long as they both come to the agreement and it's fair, you got a launching point from which to start your parenting time. And that's really the goal. So mediation plays a crucial role because, number one, the court really would prefer not to make the decision. And number two, a mediator can help the parties get together on crucial issues like custody, parenting time, child support. Many times, for example, you'll have people who aren't talking to each other, but the wife just knows that she doesn't want to have the kids go to her soon-to-be ex-husband. Why? Because the girlfriend's an alcoholic. The girlfriend's a drug addict, and she doesn't want her kids around a drug addict. You know what? I don't blame her. But in mediation, they might find out, since they're not communicating, it may be shared with the mediator that girlfriend's history, that they split up months ago. Why? Because of her substance abuse issues. So maybe we don't have the problem anymore. Maybe there's a way to resolve the issues. Socially it can be worked out where when you have your parenting time, both parties agree that there's no people of the opposite sex around. There's no socializing with other people while you have the kids. There are agreements, some of them more onerous, some less onerous, but the point is the parties can come to a resolution and they can do it with a mediator. So really, a mediator plays a crucial role in trying to bridge those gaps. We do mediation here at the firm all the time. As a matter of fact, if you've ever been on site here, you'll notice that we have two separate conference rooms on different sides for the purposes of mediation, so that parties can be over here and they're separate, the other party's over there separate, and they don't have to cross paths until such time as everything is resolved. So family law practitioners often have their offices set up like that, recognizing that the fact that the court really embraces the concept of mediation in order to resolve cases. If you have any questions about your case, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.